states, 22 official languages, 6 major religions, 6 ethnic groups, 1 country. This shows that despite having diverse cultures, traditions and religions, we are proud that we are Indians.
Cordial morning and a warm welcome to everyone present here. Independence Day is not just a date on calendar. It is a day of reflection and introspection.
It's a day to recall the glorious past and to envision the bright future of the country.
It is a day to acknowledge the procurements and the challenges of our nation.
On this auspicious occasion, I wish everyone a very happy Independence Day. India is a golden bird and independence is its emancipating wings.
You're absolutely right, Deepika. Get ready to witness the vibrant atmosphere unfolding joy and excitement with a sense of unity, showcasing the kaleidoscope of patriotism that mesmerizes the onlookers.
As light expels darkness, a solemn prayer instills great values in us. Indeed, prayer invigorates us and guides our thoughts and actions towards harmony and goodwill.
When we pray, God listens. When we listen, God talks. When we believe, God works. May I call upon stage Shiloh and group to lead us with a prayer song. Let us all stand up with devotional realm of universe.
Thank you, Athenites. You have truly instilled in us a sense of calm and tranquility. It is a privilege for all of us gathered here today to have one of the luminaries among us as our esteemed guest of honor. With great ovation, please call upon stage MV Surendra Babu Garu to grace the dais, making the auspicious beginning of our proceedings today. The man with a heart that has the capacity for sharing the feeling of other sorrows. The guest of honor, Mr. MV Surendra Babu Garu, who is relentlessly working as a social worker for the past 50 years.
I request our principal ma'am to come onto the dais and occupy the eminent chair.
May the tricolor always fly, in rain and shine, let it fly. Let it flutter against the blue sky, let the glory always remain high.
We request our honorable icons on the dais to come forward and hoist the glorious tricolor flag.
Assembly, attention. Flag, salute. Order. National anthem.
my country, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all the elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in the well-being and prosperity, otherwise my happiness.
The freedom journey to share the thoughts of the journey, the challenges overcome, and the joys experienced are award worthy. So please join me in welcoming our Athonite Humaira to share the most prominent milestones of the journey.
Ours is a land of sages, known for bravery for ages, country with colors and cultures, full of beautiful sculptures. Himalayas taught us to reach for the top, flowing rivers taught us not to stop. A proud moment for every generation, a day to celebrate the victory of our nation. Let the morning melodies serenade your day. May the flame of patriotism burn bright in our hearts, illuminating the pathway to a prosperous India. Let us wish India a very happy Independence Day. Right from the year of independence, our nation has made great progress in each and every sector, such as sports, education, technology, investment, agriculture, the stock market, aviation, and military power. The leaders of other nations have spoken proudly about the fame and power of India as a democratic and developing nation. The military power of India is so impressive that it serves as a model for all the nations around the globe. No nation dares to look directly at India. Operation Ajay to facilitate Israel, Operation Samudra Setu to aid COVID, Operation Ganga to assist Ukraine, Operation Dos to help Syria, Operation Maitri to soothe Nepalians, and so on. India's legacy also includes landing on Moon's South Pole, inaugurating the world's longest river cruise. India has also clinched over 100 medals at the Asian Games. India also has the fourth largest installed capacity of renewable energy. India also has the fastest 5G rollout around the world. India stands second in deploying and exploring AI in business. The supercomputer Airavel has kept India on the list of top. India has the third largest startup ecosystem. India has also ranked third globally in pharmaceutical production by volume. What not? The list goes on. But we as Indians, what are we supposed to do? We should care about our nation by caring about its people. Freedom is not the right to speak, not the right to learn, not the right to live. Freedom actually means the right to feel the responsibility to work hard and make it a better place by being good citizens, by helping each other, and by keeping our hearts clean and green, which in turn makes the country clean and green. In this modern era of technology, Independence Day is just on our phones. Oh, it's Independence Day? Let me take a beautiful photograph with the tagline. Hashtag Happy Independence Day. Hashtag I am free. Hashtag I love India. Forward it to all the friends. WhatsApp status uploaded. Facebook posted on Facebook. Instagram story updated. That's all. Done with Independence Day. This is what most of the people and we all do on Independence Day. The very next day, since Independence Day is gone, the so-called nationalism is gone. But if it's Parents' Day, we celebrate Parents' Day daily. They love us, we love them. Why not Independence Day? We say we love our country, but we fail to show the love. The people living in Ranchal are facing the hot temperatures of Rajasthan day and night. But they never mind it. They are the ones who truly love our country. The people lying down near the borders, far from their family and love, are the ones who truly love our country. We say we are celebrating Independence Day. It is a day which is to be celebrated when one is truly independent. Independence Day is not just Independence Day. We are celebrating the independence of 1947 in 2024 without actually being independent. We are celebrating the 78th year of independence. It's not just Independence Day. We are still living with negative thoughts. We are bounded with negative thoughts. We are celebrating 78th year of independence, but still today we live with no ethics. We are celebrating Independence Day, but still today, the birth of a girl child is accepted, but the birth of a boy child is celebrated. We say we are celebrating Independence Day, but still today it's very shameful for a girl child to be physically abused. Still today, the girl child and the girl, whoever the girls in the world are still asked to walk properly, talk properly, behave properly, or even laugh properly. But not even once a boy is tortured. With all these egos on the top, we are celebrating Independence Day. We murder people for the sake of name and fame. We bully each other for fun and excitement. We are celebrating the 78th year of independence. It's not just Independence Day. It's an under construction Independence Day. At last, आजादी की कभी जान ना होने देंगे, शहीदों की कुर्बानी बदनाम ना होने देंगे। बची है जो एक बूंद भी लहू की, बची है जो एक बूंद भी लहू की, आखिरी दम तक भारत माता की आंचल को विराम ना होने देंगे। भारत माता की जय।
He was so engaging and kept us all hooked the entire time. I must not forbid myself from saying that you've nailed it.
Marching is a beautiful portrayal of discipline, unity, harmony, and grit. Every step taken is a testament of sheer determination and dedication of each team.
So let's embrace this spectacle with a grand cheer.
Here on the marching track, the first team to commence with is the Shikara led by Jasmine. The name Shikara indicates peak. Each fresh peak ascended teaches something. We should set our goals high and not stop until we reach them. We believe that victory is half won when one gains the habit of setting goals.
Leader, group, gang leader.
Marching towards the dais, boys and power, and swept the second group's uncle, great experience, led by Muhammad sister. Some parents take resolution. One should always be in mind that your own resolution to succeed is more important than any other. Look at the charisma that every marcher exudes. It truly gives us a sense of unity, discipline, and determination. associated with the qualities of purposefulness and significance. It says that every person should have a longing desire to be significant, noble, and purposeful. The march is compelling us to join you.
Look at that impeccable discipline and harmony. Let's applaud their effort.
The next group moving forward is Sahasra, the girls of 8, led by Srini. Sahasra stands for a new beginning. Try to begin although we failed 1,000 times. We should never focus on the failures of yesterday. We should start today with positive thoughts. We must remember every sunset is an opportunity to reset.
Peace and happiness. They are mesmerizing everyone with their synchronized steps.
The name Samudra denotes the gathering of water. It inspires us to flow like rivers and never stop or never give up until we reach our aspired destination. Just how the water finds way through any rock, we will definitely find a solution through any obstacle.
The group leader of Scouts and Guides with his team is at your side, graciously marching. The smart, disciplined and honest youth who are always ready to save the society is proceeding towards the dais. Scouts and Guides Club helps students to inculcate leadership traits, develop team building and thrill for adventure and compassion towards their fellow brethren. They play a constructive role in the society building and they are perfectly marching with the rhythm.
Andhra Girls Battalion of National Cadet Corps led by Nandini. The wing proves excellency, tranquility, stability and loyalty. As they march, let us not only admire their outward display of perfection, but also acknowledge the unwavering commitment that lies within it. Each step is a dedication to their values. Each breath is a testament to their resilience.
Now, marching towards the dais, MPC Boys 28th Andhra Battalion majestically in front of you, led by Captain Jaisimha. When cadets coordinate and compel with stirring marching sound, it is really a feast to the eyes and ears. The synchronized swing of arms and the sound of thudding feet stirs something within us. Besides being spectacular, there is something inexplicably inspiring about the sense of pride that the cadets bring to it.
On the marching track. Let's applaud their effort.
That encapsulates the essence of this incredible nation we call home. It's a heartfelt tribute to our country's rich heritage, its people, and its unparalleled spirit, responsibility we hold as its custodians.
So, let us put our hands together and welcome Niharika and Dhruv.
Ide
the grit of resilience and the echo of freedom which resonated in each corner of our blessed homeland. Our hearts are still pounding and resonating with the rhythm.
మాతృభూమి కోసం తమ మాన ప్రాణాలను త్యాగం చేసిన వారెందరో మహానుభావులు. వారందరికీ మా వందనాలు. Now I would like to call upon stage Kumari Harshita to deliver a speech in Telugu to spark the spirit of patriotism in us. Please put your hands together and welcome her.
ఉపాధ్యాయురాలు గారికి, ఉపాధ్యాయులకు, నా సహ విద్యార్థులకు నా హృదయపూర్వక నమస్కారాలు మరియు 78వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. నేటి ఈ స్వాతంత్రం ఏ ఒక్కరి కృషి వల్ల వచ్చింది కాదు, ఎంతో మంది బలిదానాల ఫలితమే ఇప్పుడు మనం అనుభవించే ఈ స్వేచ్ఛ. ఒకరోజు వివేకానంద గారు విదేశీ పర్యటనలో ఉండగా ఒకరు అతనితో, ఏంటి మీరు ఈ దుస్తులు వేసుకున్నారు, ఇలా ఉంటే ఎవరైనా మీకు గౌరవం ఎలా ఇస్తారు అని అడిగారు. దానికి వివేకానంద గారు, మీ దేశంలో దుస్తుల్ని బట్టి గౌరవం ఇస్తారేమో, కానీ మా దేశంలో వ్యక్తిత్వాన్ని బట్టి గౌరవిస్తారు అన్నారు. ఇలా సహృదయులైన భారతీయుల మంచితనాన్ని ఆసరాగా చేసుకొని ఆంగ్లేయులు వ్యాపార నిమిత్తం భారతదేశానికి వచ్చి స్వదేశంలోని భారతీయులను బానిసలుగా చేసుకొని 200 సంవత్సరాలకు పైగా మనల్ని పాలించారు. భారతీయులను అష్ట కష్టాల పాలు చేశారు. తినే ఉప్పుపై కూడా పన్ను వేసి తినడానికి పట్టడన్నం లేకుండా చేశారు. ప్రశ్నించిన వారిని నడి రోడ్డుపై రక్తమోడేలా శిక్షించేవారు. నాటి ఆ తరుణంలో జనించిన ఒక ప్రశ్న, ప్రాణం ముఖ్యమా, దేశం ముఖ్యమా? దానికి భారతీయులు ప్రాణం కంటే దేశమే ముఖ్యం అని నినాదించారు. భరతమాతను దాస్య శృంఖలాల నుండి విముక్తి చేయడానికి తమ ప్రాణాలను సైతం తృణప్రాయంగా ఇస్తాం అంటూ భారత స్వాతంత్ర సమరంలో సమిధలుగా మారారు. అలాంటి మహానుభావుల వలన మనకిప్పుడు ఈ స్వాతంత్రం సిద్ధించింది. భారతీయతను బాధ్యతగా ఇచ్చింది నాటి తరం, భారతీయతను బలంగా మార్చుకుంది నేటి తరం. మరింత మునగాలి ముందు తరం, శ్రమిద్దాం తరతరాలు నిరంతరం. భారతీయతను సందేశంగా పంపుదాం మనం తరంతరం. నేటి స్వాతంత్ర సంబరం ఎందరో వీరుల త్యాగఫలం. భరతమాత దాస్య శృంఖలాల విముక్తి దినం చరిత్రలో సువర్ణాక్షరాలతో లిఖించదగిన దినం. అనుభవిద్దాం అమరవీరుల త్యాగఫలం, స్మరిద్దాం వారి త్యాగం నిరంతరం. ఇదే మనం వారి ఆత్మకు శాంతి అందించే నివాళి దినం. శతాబ్దాలు తరబడి మన దేశానికి స్వేచ్ఛ స్వాతంత్రాలు తర్చిన ఎందరో సమర యోధుల దివ్య స్మృతి పథానికి అంజలి ఘటిస్తూ నాటి త్యాగాలు బలిదానాలను నేటి తరం గుర్తుంచుకోని కారణంగా ఇంకా మనం కొన్ని జాడ్యాలను విడవలేదు అన్నది గుర్తుంచుకోవాల్సిన అంశం. అభివృద్ధి వైపు పరుగులు తీయాల్సిన మనం ఇంకా కులం, మతం, జాతి అంటూ కొట్టుకుంటూ ఉన్నాం. మన దేశంలో ఎంతైతే అభివృద్ధి ఉందో అంత అవినీతి కూడా కనిపిస్తూనే ఉంది. మన పని త్వరగా అవ్వాలని లంచం ఇచ్చేవారు రేపు లంచం తీసుకోవడానికి కూడా వెనకాడరు. గురుజాడ వారి దేశమును ప్రేమించమన్నా అన్న ధ్యేయం నిరంతరాచరణను ఉద్బోధించడం మీద అధికాల బీగాలను దాటి నూతనత్వాన్ని తెచ్చుకునే సముజ్వల పాఠం కాదా? నాటి ప్రజాస్వామిక గమనం ఆ ధ్యేయానికి వ్యతిరేక దిశలో ఉంది. దేశాభిమానపు గొప్పలు మానేసి దేశం కోసం మనం ఏదైనా పనికి వచ్చేది చేసి చూపించాలి. దేశమని దొరక మూలం నరుల చెమటతో తడిసి ధనమని పంటలు పండించాలి. 78వ స్వాతంత్ర సంబరాలు జరుపుకునే ఈ శుభ దినాన భారత జనతంత్ర ప్రస్థానం గురుజాడ చూపిన జాడకు ఏమాత్రం దగ్గరగా ఉందని మనల్ని మనం ప్రశ్నించుకోవాలి. మంచి వంట గతంలోనే ఉందని ప్రజలను వెనకడుగు పట్టించడమే రాజకీయం అయింది. దేశం కత్తి వైరాలతో సంకుల సమరాంగం అయింది. జనాన్ని చీల్చి పాలించడమే అధికార పరమ పదానికి సోపానం అయ్యింది. ఇలా మనం వీక్షించి చిన్న చిన్న తప్పుల వలన మన దేశాన్ని మనం వెనక్కి నెడుతున్నాము. స్వాతంత్రాన్ని సరిగా ఉపయోగించుకోవడం చాలా ముఖ్యం కదా. భారతదేశ సంపదను దోచుకుతున్న ఆంగ్లేయులను మనం దేశం నుంచి తరిమి కొట్టాం. అలాంటి మనల్ని మన స్వాతంత్రాన్ని దోచుకొని తింటుంటే ఎలా ఉంటుంది? భారతదేశంలో చదువుకొని ఇతర దేశాల్లో వెళ్ళి ఉద్యోగాలు చేసే వారి సంఖ్య లక్షల్లో ఉంటుంది. మనమెందుకు మన దేశంలో వారికి ఉద్యోగాలు కల్పించలేకపోతున్నాం? మన దేశం ప్రభుత్వం మన చదువు కోసం ఎన్నో సదుపాయాల
అలాంటి వారికి మనం ఏం చేయగలుగుతున్నాం అని మనల్ని మనం ప్రశ్నించుకోవాలి. నాడు స్వాతంత్రం కోసం ఒక పింగళి వెంకయ్య, భగత్ సింగ్, ఉయ్యాలవాడి నరసింహారెడ్డి, ఇంకా చరిత్రలో మిగిల్చని ఎందరో స్వాతంత్ర సమర యోధులు వారి ప్రాణాలను త్యాగం చేశారు. మీలో ఎంతమంది దేశం కోసం మీ ప్రాణాలను త్యాగం చేయడానికి సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నారు? నిద్రపోవడానికి ఇది సమయం కాదు. మేలుకోండి. అదిగో శాశ్వతమైన ధర్మ సింహాసనంపై దేవీ ప్రమాణంగా వెలుగుతూ ఆశీనురాలై ఉన్న భరతమాత పెదవులపై చిరునవ్వుల పువ్వులు పూరిద్దాం. ఆగస్టు 15 లేదా జనవరి 26కు మాత్రమే వీరిని గుర్తు తెచ్చుకోవడం కాదు మనం చేయాల్సిన పని. నిరంతరం మన దేశాభివృద్ధి కోసం కృషి చేయాలి. ప్రపంచ దేశాల్లో మన దేశం ముందున్నందుకు శ్రమించాలి. నేటికి మాత్రమే ఈ స్వాతంత్ర పోరాట స్ఫూర్తిని పరిమితం చేయకుండా మన గుండెల్లో ఉంచుకోవాలని ఆకాంక్షిస్తున్నాను. నాకు ఈ అవకాశాన్ని కల్పించిన పెద్దలకు నా ధన్యవాదాలు. జై హింద్.
For awakening us with your deliverance to the higher plane of patriotism, which lies in every citizen's conviction that India is superior among all the other countries as we are born in it. Thank you. All our tonight's Manasavina and Ulpage are ready to mesmerize us with their instrumental performance. So let's welcome them with a great ovation.
mesmerize you. A drill teaches us the importance of guidance in our lives.
It shows how perfection comes out when we work together.
It gives a deeply rooted sense of self-discipline. It also implicits the obedience to orders.
So brace yourselves to feel the perfect rhythm of a drill performed by our little kiddos.
Wow, sir, it was enchanting. My sincere thanks, sir. You have surely added the charm to this event. It was really informative in truth. Your expertise and insight on freedom captivated us and left a lasting impression on us. Your contribution was pivotal in making the event a big shot. Now, I request our principal ma'am to present a token of appreciation on behalf.
Of entertainment which evolves the spirit of unity and paint a picture of our nation's diverse yet harmonious fabric. Prepare to be mesmerized as our talented dancers showcase a vivid portrait of culture, tradition, history, interweaving into a melodious dance.
So without any further ado, let's welcome them.
ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਬੱਚਾ ਖਾਣੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਨਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਤੋਂ ਨਾ ਕਰੇ ਉਹ ਤੁਮ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਸਦਾ
but a heart-stirring testament of patriotism that transcends the choreography.
Gratitude is the mother of all virtues. To extend our gratitude to everyone who made this event a grand success, I take pleasure in inviting Kumari Hema Sudhira to propose her word of thanks.
Beautiful and elegant things of this world cannot even be seen or touched. One among them is thank you, which must be felt with the heart. It's my great privilege to have a chance to propose a vote of thanks for this prestigious event. First of all, I extend my sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making this event a resounding success. On behalf of our management and the entire fraternity of our institution, I would like to thank our chief guest, M.V. Surendra Babu Garu, for accepting our invitation and being with us today. Your thoughts and suggestions truly inspired us and have enlightened our minds. Thank you, sir, for your motivational addressing. My special thanks to our respected principal ma'am for being the catalyst that stimulated all of us to do our best and for standing as pillars of strength. Thank you very much, ma'am. I would like to thank our coordinators who acted as a backbone for making this event a great success. With a deep sense of appreciation, I thank our loving teachers for their untiring efforts. Thank you all, teachers. I would also like to thank the people who worked behind the scene. The art masters, keyboard masters, dance masters, music masters, computer master, PET master, chess master, craft teacher, and even the non-teaching staff for their logistic support. Beyond their comfort zones, our volunteers have shown their handful efforts for making this event victorious. I thank from the bottom of my heart to all the volunteers. Thank you, warriors. I thank all the parents who spent time with us. Your participation and suggestions always help us. Finally, I would like to thank our budding stars who made this event joyful with their impressive performances. The days of hard work were evident in your act. Last but not the least, I thank all the students of this school for making this event colorful with their performance.